Olivia?
Well, it's actually quite simple. All it does is pump blood to all the vessels in our body. But why do we even have lungs?
Well, when we inhale oxygen. And when the blood comes from the heart to the lungs, it picks up oxygen and takes it to the rest of the body. So why do we even exhale?
Well, when the blood comes back to our lungs, it takes this thing called carbon dioxide, and when we exhale, it releases the carbon dioxide. But I'm so confused. Why do we even have blood?
Well, it's sort of like the mailman dropping off packages to houses, except it's oxygen to cells.
Well, is it anything like the garbage man? Because doesn't it pick up all the waste that gets left in our body?
Well, sort of. Let me go show you.
So, as you can see, the heart acts as two different pumps, kind of looking like a figure eight. The pulmonary circulation is shown on the right, which pumps blood along the arteries to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood loses its waste and collects oxygen and travels to the left side of the heart.
So as you can see, the loop on the left is the systemic circulation. This loop pumps blood along the aorta and everywhere in the body. It takes oxygen wherever it needs and transports nutrients and waste products and then returns back to the superior vena cava or the inferior vena cava and continues on forever.
I'm filled with carbon dioxide and waste. I need more oxygen. I got your back. And we're off. I'm coming, buddy! This is so exhausting, delivering oxygen to the whole entire body. I got your back. And we're off.
The circulatory system consists of 4 major parts.
The number one is the heart. It is located to the left of your chest and is protected by the rib cage. It has 4 different chambers, 2 ventricles and 2 atrias. It pumps blood throughout your body, and when the blood goes out of your heart, it goes through the ventricles.
The second major part of your circulatory system is your blood vessels. The blood vessels allow your blood to flow through your body quickly. The blood vessels may vary in size depending on how much blood needs to flow through. The blood vessels are made of a thin material, thin enough to stretch so blood can move through.
The third major part is the blood itself. It contains of 4 different things: white blood cells, red blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells are cells that give oxygen to your body. The white blood cells fight off infections, and the platelets are the things that when you get a cut create the scab. And plasma is a yellowish liquid that puts proteins, hormones, and nutrients throughout your body.
Okay.
Fun facts!
The young adults have 5 to 6 quarts of blood in their body. The 4th major part of your circulatory system is your lungs. Your lungs are a large organ that hold oxygen, and when cells come through, it delivers that to the cells, and it goes to the rest of the body. And it also gets rid of carbon dioxide.
Don't forget, the 4 major parts are the heart, blood vessels, blood, and lungs.
As you can see, Olivia is getting her daily exercise. It is good to at least get 30 minutes of exercise a day.
I'm starting to get really hungry. Can we get a snack? After your 30 minutes exercise, you could eat snacks such as celery, broccoli,
Pistachios and almonds.
because they contain vitamin E, which is very good for your body.
And they are also very, very delicious to eat with dips and all sorts of seasonings.
This is a note from my brain saying I need fish, not meat, for dinner. But I wonder why.
Well, fish contains less fat than meat does, and it's also great to eat more white meat than dark meat.
So, now that we have eaten the right snack and gotten our 30 minutes of exercise, we are going to wash down that vitamin E food with some orange juice. But why orange juice?
Well, orange juice contains vitamin C, which is proven to help reduce cholesterol, so it is very, very good for you.
And it tastes good too. Cheers! blood away from the heart. You can remember that because arteries and away both start with A.
Veins carry blood back to the heart.
So now that you know the maintenance, purpose,
Design and function
of the circulatory system, we are going to give you a little tiny quiz. But first, we're going to show you some bloopers. And they're going to be pretty funny. No, I'm focusing the camera.
You recorded.
Now you made it
Pronounce
not
wrong.
system ick. Like oxygenated.
Oxygenated systemic.
No, you can't get it, dude. Now you gotta get in the plane. Stand up, stand up. I got it. Okay, ready?
Start to count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone's a rocket. Rev it up now.
You can see a car's coming. She about got deathly hit. They live right where she's at.